Okay, here is our layout for the kitchen. A couple things off the bat. If we do move the island around, this point right here is roughly where the plumbing is. So we might have to shift the plumbing in the floor a bit, which isn't that large of a task to do. It sounds daunting, but in reality, it's not the end of the world to get that done. The island right now is 108 inches long. This line here represents 4 feet. This line off the fridge leg represents 42 inches. Just to get a scale of where we're at. I mean, it's possible that we can take the island and slide it back and get the plumbing a little bit closer. Typically, we want to try to land the plumbing in the back of the cabinet, where it's just off center, unless we pull the sink. But moving the sink would take care of the issue, but I'm just assuming you would want to keep the sink center in the island. Our fridge cabinet, and this also is assuming that the walls, the 2x4 sheetrock walls, are removed around the refrigerator. So this fridge leg, about 4 inches off the opening into the bedroom. Our range with an appliance hood above. This is the microwave cabinet, sink, dishwasher, trash pull out, and then drawer stacks either side. This is a tray divider for cookie sheet storage. Big drawer stack here for pots and pans, and our pantry cabinet here. Looking at the face of the island, our apron sink, trash, and then the sides of the island and the back are all shaker paneling. Microwave cabinet. So from the right side of the microwave cabinet to the 45-degree corner is right here, 105 inches. If you just want to map out roughly where it is. The center of the range from the left is, say, 156 inches from the left. And then this is our fridge cabinet. All right, let me know what you think of that. Thanks, guys.